What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two Way Direct. So today I'm here to talk about our G-Hook earpiece and what it means to be wearing one while you have a mask on. So we have our mask, place it on. Now once you get this into your ear, you're going to want to make sure that the talk piece is actually going to be closer to your mask, because the mask is actually going to take down a little bit of the sound. You're going to want to make sure that you can speak clearly while you have the earpiece in. Now, one of the things about a G-Hook is that you'll need to sanitize these after every use. Now it's very easy. All you're going to really do is squeeze out a Clorox wipe and hit each side. You don't want to get it soaked and you don't want the fluid to go into the actual earpiece itself, but you do want to be able to wipe it down. Especially if you're going to be trading these back and forth between employees, making sure these are sanitized is actually going to be a very important step in the process. Now, if you want to see these or more earpieces like it, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. All right, make sure to like and subscribe.